rain fell overnight last night and into this morning. But again, the worst of it actually occurring across southwest Missouri in Berry County, where some spots from Cassville east through southeast through Roaring River and then east up close to Galena picked up between 4 and 6 inches of rainfall. And that's based on radar. There could be some isolated pockets within here that actually saw even more than that. So that's why we had the incredible flash flooding in the Cassville area as well as the Branson area earlier today. As I mentioned, thankfully those water levels are receding, and so are the river levels. After spiking up earlier today, they're beginning to drop as well, but they may be going back up later tonight and then again on Wednesday morning as more heavy rain expected. Here's the setup. You can see we've got this band of heavier thunderstorms off to the south. This is more or less where our boundary has pushed into northern Arkansas. So we've got our frontal boundary right there. That's a focus for thunderstorm activity. We've also got a storm which is going to ripple along this front later tonight and through Wednesday across the Ozarks. That is also an ingredient to get rain and thunderstorms back in the area. Plus, we have a very soupy air mass in place. I mean, it is very, very moist from top to bottom in the atmosphere. So when you get these thunderstorms going, it's very easy for them to produce excessive amounts of rainfall in a short period of time. One additional ingredient that we're going to find developing later tonight in response to this storm coming out of Oklahoma will be a strong low-level jet, and where that moves over the top of this front is where you typically find heavy rain and thunderstorms developing. So with that said, it looks like later tonight across northeast Oklahoma, we'll likely find heavier rain and thunderstorms firing up, and then that will spread northeast across the area late tonight and into Wednesday morning. And this area you see shaded in green, that's where I think it's most favored, given the setup for heavy rain and also the potential for flash flooding tomorrow morning. Looks like a general 2 to 4 inches of rainfall possible across northwesternmost Arkansas into southwest Missouri, with those rainfall totals dropping off as you head southeast across Mountain Home and into Sharp County and north central areas of Arkansas. And locally within this area near and north of I-44, there could be even higher totals, something that we'll be watching very closely. Now, as that storm moves off to the northeast, it's going to leave behind a boundary across the area, and it looks like if we can get some sunshine and we can get warmer temperatures tomorrow afternoon, given the wind field, there may be a developing severe weather threat across our eastern counties tomorrow afternoon. I'll be watching that very, very
I'm
closely.
right there by West
Keeping our
Plains.
forecast. Again, this evening looks like the rains will be fairly showery, but look for heavier rain and thunderstorms to sweep in out of the southwest, at least into southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas, and then that activity throughout the morning hours will continue to shift across areas near and north of I-44. We'll watch for additional thunderstorm development in the afternoon across parts of the eastern Ozarks. Take a look at your 7-day forecast. Looks like Wednesday night into Thursday will continue that chance for showers and thunderstorms, although the rain should not be as heavy nor the rain be as widespread. By Friday, it dries out and it will heat up, and it looks like we'll find a hot and generally dry forecast through Saturday and Sunday before additional rain chances return late Monday into Tuesday.
Well, a dry weekend will be a welcome sight, definitely.
And much needed to allow these water levels to once again recede. That's what we've seen really so far in the last 5 weeks of this summer season is water levels go up, they recede, we get the next round of heavy rain, they go back up and they recede. So it's just been a mess.
It feels like every month there's the same pattern.
Yeah.
Whether